तर मला खात्री आहे की आपण नक्कीच या संकटातून मात करू आणि म्हणून मी हात जोडून आपल्याला विनंती करतो आहे शांतता राखा. प्रयत्न चालू आहे आणि पुन्हा सांगतो मी आशा सोडलेली नाही. तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या शुभेच्छा आणि प्रार्थनेचं जे काही बळ आहे त्यातून आपण नक्कीच
All right, let's cut across to my colleague Aditya Aman, who was, of course, outside Matoshri all through last night, getting us the latest updates. Aditya, what is the current situation in terms of, if you're talking about health of Balasaheb Thackeray?
See, no further information has been passed out from inside Matoshri because, last time we saw that Uddhav came and he spoke to the supporters and the Shiv Senics, and after that we saw that most of them returned home. And since early in the morning, around from 6:15, they have started again coming back here because they know that there is something wrong. Things are not too well, and that's why we have been waiting for the medical bulletin early in the morning, and yet it has to come. But we are seeing that more and more people have started coming, and more of the VIP vehicle movements have started since morning. But right now, there is no medical bulletin coming out from inside, and we have seen that more and more of barricading has also taken place since morning, and SRF people have also come in the morning.
All right, so Aditya, the medical bulletin yet to be expected anytime now. Aditya Aman keeping track of the condition of Bal Thackeray. However, let's cut across to Samir Dikshit, my colleague, who's been keeping track of the surging crowds outside Matoshri. These images that we're beaming to you come from Matoshri, where thousands of Shiv Sena cadres have gathered once they heard that Bal Thackeray's health had taken a turn for the worse. Samir is with me right now. Samir, through the night, we had seen people pouring out in front of Matoshri. What is the current situation? Do you see the crowd surging?
The night was a tense night for all the Shiv Sena activists when the news came that Balasaheb is critical through the PTI sources. Then all the activists in a huge number, they gathered outside Matoshri, and with one word they were waiting that either Uddhav or any of member of Thackeray Parvat, they will come outside and tell them the real information regarding the health of Balasaheb. And this was the reason why, in a huge number, all the Shiv Sena activists, they all gathered outside Matoshri, the official residence of Balasaheb Thackeray. And when late night, no official confirmation was there. The tense situation was at its peak, and even a time came when the activists got so much of in a tense moment that they started breaking the barricades, and then they started creating a kind of nuisance over there. But at the end, the police, a huge deployment of police was there. The barricades were laid down. All the VIP movements were carried out in a systematic order. And at last, when Uddhav Thackeray, he himself came out and spoke that he has not lost hope, and everything is right now going through doctor's hands. So that was a sign of relief for all the Shiv Sena activists. And after that, a number of, in a huge number, the activists had gone back to their homes. But yes, this morning, as the morning started with the first ray of sun's light, the number of activists, they have all again started gathering at Matoshri, and it is a real tough time not only for Thackeray family but also for police to maintain this safety and security over there.
All right, stay on with us, Samir. Let's get a quick word in from Aditya as well. Aditya, as of course Samir was pointing out, massive police security there. Do you have any idea what kind of orders have been given to them where security is concerned? Because last night we had seen things get a little out of control.
See, it's really hard for the police department also to control that kind of mob, and that also it happened very suddenly. So we have got the information that all the leaves have been cancelled throughout Maharashtra, because we have seen that southern part of Maharashtra is already burning from past 3 to 4 days, and right now after this news coming in, more and more deployment has been done, but the orders are that they have to handle them not too very aggressively, and they are in a defensive mode, because we have seen that since morning lots and lots of barricades have been brought in here, and they have been making a kind of fort in the whole area. They have been packing all the flyovers and the entries and the exits. They have been packing all the roads in the vicinity of Matoshri. So they are more in a defensive mood, and they have been told that you have to keep people as far as possible from the entrance of the Matoshri, because in the night we saw there was a lot of VIP movement, Amitabh Bachchan and many leaders coming in, many of the film staff trying to come in. They were trying to take an appointment, they were trying to take some permission, because when Amitabh Bachchan's car came yesterday, it was really very hard time for the police also to let pass that vehicle, because people, the mob, the people, the supporters, they were not willing to give way to any of the vehicles coming in. That's why today what they have done, they have made, they have in the whole vicinity, they are trying to create a barricade, and
all right, Aditya. So police trying to cordon off the area because of what happened last night, as thousands of Shiv Sainiks gather in front of Matoshri. My colleague Virendra Gunawat also on ground zero reporting on the story. Virendra, when is the next health bulletin expected? Because that is what is going to be crucial today.
That maybe we need to wait for that, because there's no particular time where the medical team will come out and giving the details, but normally we are expecting before 12, because that is important, and in the first half to know. Rightly said by Aditya, situation is on a high alert, as not in Mumbai, even in Maharashtra. Mumbai police, even the Maharashtra police have cancelled all the leave. In fact, Amitabh Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan were there yesterday night, and they were injured, in fact, in the entire mob melee. And in fact, Amitabh Bachchan wrote in the Twitter that yes, both Abhishek and me were injured with the cut, but are fine and back home. The doctors at Matoshri attended on us. So the point is that even the media are not allowed to put the OB vans there, not to remove a camera even for a single shot of the frame. So now the handling mob and having supporters who are gathering in large number at the Matoshri, that would be a big challenge for Mumbai police and even for the people around in Mumbai. So I think overall, as of now, the health is getting worse time by time, but as said, it is stable as of now. Uddhav Thackeray had already said that let's hope, let's see. So the situation is that yes, police is taking all the measures to control the to control the mob. Not only at Matoshri but in Mumbai itself, is any situation arise, and even in Maharashtra they have told the Maharashtra police have said that rapid action force, if required, would be put on the street beside the CRPF post and all. So I think the police are preparing themselves to face the situation.